Open any folder you want. Choose the file you want to hide. Select it, right-click it. Click Properties. Check Hidden. Click Apply and click OK. Also, you can close this folder, select the folder, right-click it, click Properties, and hide the folder. Click OK. Finally, open any folder, click on View, move your mouse to Show, scroll down, and deactivate hidden items. Close the folder. Now the folder is completely hidden. If you want to see the folder again, just open any folder in your computer, click on View, move your mouse to Show, scroll down, and click Hidden Items. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.